Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we'll be going to see how we can earn money online. So earning money online is really easy, guys. We'll be going to use Google AdSense for that. But before getting into the Google AdSense, we have to create a blog or a website. So for creating a blog or a website, we can use multiple platforms. And one of the platforms that I'm using is Hostinger. So I will give you the link as well for that, and you guys can use it easily. So people are making hundreds of dollars out of the website and out of the Google AdSense. So how is it possible? I will show you the live proof right after this. So you guys have seen the live proof of how we can earn money online and hundreds of thousands of dollars online, right? So how we can start with it. So first of all, we'll be going to see the keywords, right? What basically we required is the keyword. So I'll be showing you the keywords now. So first of all, guys, you have to search for the keywords over here. This is not a promotion of WordStream at all. So you guys can use WordStream because it's completely free. So we'll be going to tap on this option, find my keyword. Then you can type over here the keywords that you want to search for. This is really important, guys, because first of all, you have to do some research on keywords before starting a blog or a website. So let's search for skills. So we can select the country as well from here, and we can also select the industry type. And it will search and it will give you the results with all the things with CPC and everything. So there we go, guys. We have skills as the topmost searched keyword, and the search volume is 1,35,000. Along with that, we are having $0.05 with the lowest range, and the highest range is $1.57. And the competition is very low. It means we can rank this keyword easily. So once you get the keywords, guys, you can create a blog and a website on that keyword. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you like the video. Please share, subscribe, and comment your views on the video. Thank you so much.